exploring different types of insulin and their uses. Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and information on managing diabetes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of insulin, exploring the different types and their uses. Whether you're new to insulin therapy or just looking to understand it better, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is insulin? Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps our cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream to use as energy. For people with diabetes, insulin therapy is often a crucial part of managing blood sugar levels. Different types of insulin. Let's explore the different types of insulin available. They can generally be categorized by how quickly they start to work and how long their effects last. Here are the main types. 1. Rapid-acting insulin. 2. Short-acting insulin. 3. Intermediate-acting insulin. 4. Long-acting insulin. 5. Ultra-long-acting insulin. 6. Combination insulin. Rapid-acting insulin. First, we have rapid-acting insulin, like Lispro-Humalog, Aspart-Novolog, and Glulisine Apidra. These insulins start working within 15 minutes, peak at about 1 hour, and last for 2 to 4 hours. They're typically used right before a meal to manage blood sugar spikes. Next is short-acting insulin, also known as regular insulin. Examples include Humulin R and Novolin R. They begin to work within 30 minutes, peak in 2 to 3 hours, and last for 3 to 6 hours. These are usually taken 30 to 45 minutes before a meal. Intermediate-acting insulin. Intermediate-acting insulins, like NPH Humulin N, Novolin N, start working in 2 to 4 hours, peak at 4 to 12 hours, and last for about 12 to 18 hours. They're often used to cover insulin needs for about half the day or overnight. Long-acting insulin. Long-acting insulins, such as Glargine Lantus, Basaglar, Detamir Levemir, and Degludec Tresiba, are designed to be taken once or twice a day. They start working in a few hours and provide a steady release of insulin for up to 24 hours or more. Vial of combination insulin. Lastly, there are combination insulins, which blend two different types of insulin. These can be convenient as they reduce the number of injections needed each day. They typically mix rapid or short-acting insulin with intermediate-acting insulin. Choosing the right insulin depends on various factors, including your blood sugar levels, lifestyle, and how your body responds to insulin. It's essential to work closely with your healthcare provider to determine the best insulin regimen for you. Here are some quick tips for using insulin effectively. Always check the expiration date before use. Store your insulin correctly. Unopened vials in the fridge and opened ones at room temperature. Rotate injection sites to avoid skin issues. Monitor your blood sugar levels regularly to understand how insulin affects you. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the different types of insulin and their uses. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with insulin, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, and you are not alone. Stay tuned for more tips and information right here on ZeroDiabetes Zone. See you next time.